How to fix can't post or comment on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, figure out if you are blocked or glitched. Try posting something simple. Try from mobile data instead of Wi Fi. Try from another device or computer. If it works elsewhere, it's your device or app. If nothing works, you might be restricted. If it's a temp block, there is no hack. You'll need to wait for 24 to 48 hours. Don't try to spam more posts or use third party apps. That can extend the block. Next, log out and log in back to your account. So navigate to Settings and Activity page, scroll down, click on the option Log Out. After you log out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back. Clear cache for Instagram. So launch Settings, click on General, click on iPhone Storage, click on Instagram, click on Upload App, click on Upload App, then click on Reinstall App. Next, update Instagram. So, launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update it. If none of these solutions work, report the problem to Instagram. So, launch it. Navigate to Settings and Activity page, click on Help, click on Report a Problem, click on Report Problem without shaking. Now click on the option Don't Include and Continue, and here briefly explain about the issue that you are unable to upload a post or comment on any Instagram post and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. So these are some fixes for can't post or comment on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.